Hello.
Oh my god,
So we've been travelling now for about 2 hours on our way to get the motorhome.
2 hours.
It's only about 2.5 months late, but we're finally on our way. Here's the man butt. Can you give us a wave? He's there. Tamping, because we've had to go all the way through Bath, all around the city. Made us feel really sick by the time we'd done all the hills up and down. Being Welsh, you'd think we'd be used to that, but unfortunately not. Kidlets in the back, iPads, entertained, look at them. You excited, kiddies? Not long to go. We're about 50 minutes out, I'd say. So when we get a bit closer and the excitement's building, I'm sure we'll be back on. See you in a bit. Hi, we're the Rolling Rucks. This is our new motorhome channel.
I'm Stuart.
And I'm Charlie.
We also have 3 young children, Oliver, Dexter and Amelia, and we hope you guys will meet them in later videos. But for today we thought we'd just tell you a little bit about what our channel is and what to expect from us really. So we've picked up our new motorhome yesterday.
Yeah, that's right, Sheila, because she'll take us places. It's always been a running joke with us ever since we started caravanning, wasn't it, a few years ago?
Yep, that's it.
So yeah, this is our first ever motorhome. So now we're on the whole travelling thing.
Anyway, so we picked up the motorhome yesterday. It's a new Rollerteam Autoroller 746. Autoroller.
Yeah.
Autoroller 746. We've brought it to a site quite close to where the dealer is because we just wanted to check it over, make sure we got used to everything, check for any sort of snag jobs, so if there was any issues we could take it back. So
yeah.
well, not take it back as in take it back, but obviously take it back, get them to sort any issues. We had one issue picking it up yesterday, didn't we? We had an aerial on the order for a TV and they'd forgotten to do it. Initially they were just going to give us an aerial to take away, but they managed to squeeze us in and quickly fit it before we took it away.
I thought it was quite good service actually.
Yeah, they were pretty decent.
It gave us a chance to nip to Tesco and grab all our essentials before we came onto site, didn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Did forget the toilet roll, mine, so there's always something, isn't there?
Good job there's a shop on site.
Yeah.
Like I said, we got 3 kids, Oliver, Dexter and Amelia. They travel absolutely everywhere with us. They absolutely love this life. They have grown up from literally babies to now, and they've always done the camping. As Charles said earlier, we've always done a lot of caravanning in the past, but we wanted to do more travelling. We want to say Europe we want to take a look at, and we just felt that for us a motorhome, it's less hassle than a caravan, and so far we're absolutely loving it, aren't we?
Yeah, I don't know why we didn't do it before actually, because we've spent one night in it and I feel like we've been doing it forever, which is really strange. Obviously we've brought along our caravanning experience and some things are a little bit different, so you know, we might do some videos on how or what the differences are between caravanning and motorhoming. But yeah, I mean, this video really is just an intro. It's just for you guys to get to know who we are a little bit. As Stuart's already said, you know, time goes on, we'll do more videos, you'll get to meet the children, and really it was just to show off the motorhome, wasn't it?
Yes, well, we've had a few requests.
Show it off.
Yeah, we've had a few requests as well, mind. The people want to see it. So that being said, let's take a look at Sheila. So this is Sheila. She's a Rollerteam on a Fiat Ducato chassis. We've got the overhead bed, and that's at the moment that's the kids' bed. They always argue who gets top bunk, so now all 3 of them will get that top bunk. So I'll take you around the side. We've got the thermal covers on, and these are the ones that go inside at the moment. We've got an underlocker here, so we plan on putting anything that might get damp, like our hose and ramps, so it will avoid any damp within the motorhome. We've got our water inlet here, cassette toilet with the bathroom obviously, and our garage. It's a smallish garage, plenty for what we need it for. We've got the bike rack on the back. And here's the outside, and there's Charl waiting patiently for me to hand you guys over to her so she can show you the most important bit, which is the inside.
Thank you. Hi guys, how are you doing? So We've been watching YouTubers now for a little while we were getting ready to get our own motorhome. So we've pinched the idea of these really cosy looking chair seat covers, which I happen to think are really, really cool. Although we did get grey. Everyone else has got cream, I think. So if you've got grey, please let me know. High five to you. Up there is where the bed is. I mean, can't really appreciate how big it is, but it has got loads and loads of bedding on top there. But it's big enough basically for I'd say three adults. 3 skinny adults. But yeah, it's massive. We've got loads of cupboard space here over the dinette. And as you can see, it's full leather. Purely preference, that's just because I like to wipe things down. So yeah, I'm a bit of a cleaning freak actually, if I'm honest. And then there's the nice kitchen area there. We've got a 3 gas hob on there, little fridge underneath there, and the oven and grill. And then we've got the 2 cupboards just there over the top. And if you come all the way to the back, this is the lounge we were just talking about. So this is where we will probably do most of our YouTube videos. When we're talking to you anyway, because we've just got the space here and it's quite comfortable and cozy. This then will pull out in the centre. There's this bit here, much like on a caravan. You would pull that out there and you've got the slats, and then that becomes a bed. So it's actually really, really easy. We did it last night for the first time, and I got to say, much easier than a caravan, so happy days. And then finally, oh, you can see me, hi. Oh, and Stu, look at him, hey. So in here's our loo. But I'm really chuffed with all our little tower rails, the cupboard above the loo. And then as you can see, I think we've got some pretty bits. Obviously I'll move them before travelling in case they spill. But yeah, really, really chuffed to pieces with the space we've got in here actually. So yeah, we'll show you more and more videos as we go along. So really it's just to say tra, I think.
Well, I thought we could do one more thing before we do say tra.
Oh, what's that?
They've met us, I think they should meet the kids.
Oh God, help us all. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. They like to have a chat. Here they all are, the tribe, enjoying their first break in their motorhome. Say hello, guys.
Hello.
We've just been to the arcade and they won some sweeties on the 2p machines, didn't you?
My name is Cheeky Bob.
Yeah, that is the cheeky Bob. Yeah, that's Oliver, the oldest, believe it or not. That's the middle. What's your name? Dexter. He's just won a load of sweets as well. As you can see, their pots are empty, so they're going to have a bit of a sugar rush. And who are you? Tell everyone who you are. Emilia what? The youngest one. Yeah, brilliant. There we are. And just to finish you off, look, this pitch was reserved for the rolling Rucks.
So, in future videos, we're hoping to do some tutorials. There's a lot of new people starting to sort of come into motorhoming, caravanning, camping. There's a lot of useful information out there already. We just like to do something maybe there's a library of it, that covers quite a wide range of, you know, everything from literally very basic stuff right up to a little bit more sort of developed stuff that hopefully help you guys learn and come into it. Or if you've just bought one and you've got questions about something, maybe it'll help you on that.
Obviously we'll bring as much humour to it as we can, because we're quite funny, aren't we?
You're definitely the funny one.
Now and then.
When you want to be.
Yeah.
Only problem is she thinks she's funny at herself and she laughs at her own jokes.
I do that.
Louder than anybody else.
Yeah, I do that. Especially if I've had a glass of wine, I'm even funnier then. So we'll try.
Then.
Yeah, we'll try not to record once I've had a glass of wine then.
But no, thanks for watching the video. Obviously this is something we're hoping to do a lot more of for you guys. If you do like the video, please drop a like for us.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. It's one of these corners. Or is it down there?
Search for it.
Yeah, Google it, that's what we do.
We're worth it. Yeah, search for it. The rolling Rucks.
You know, drop a comment, say hello. If you've got any ideas of videos that we could do, if there's anything you want to say, you know, we're more than happy to accommodate it.
Yeah, we're on social as well, aren't we? We're on the...
Yeah, we've got an Instagram page, The Rolling Rucks.
Yeah, and there's a Facebook
and a Facebook page, The Rolling Rucks.
So we'll answer as much as we can, won't we? And even if, you know, they want to just ask us a question about something, we can hopefully jump on and answer it there and then, rather than waiting for a video. But yeah, we'll try our best to respond as quickly as we can.
But for now, from The Rolling Rucks, Goodbye.
Bye.
You're supposed to put it over that, not the screen. No.
See, newbies.
No. Try it again.
Okay, bye.